Not down here. You should get it down here. Yeah. Come here, sweetie. There we go. Hi. I love your markings. He's got that one ear. It's got black on it. The other one's white. So cute. Here, let me get down here with you, buddy. Hi. Hello. Mm-hmm. There we go. Put some rubs. Yeah, maybe I don't want to be touched yet. So I check some of this weird stuff out here.
Good.
I love when they're
Oh,
exploring.
what are
So
you
cute.
doing in there? It's just curious. Oof! Let me turn on this light. This will be our new cat to the family.
There it is. I was looking for that. The pet stuff.
Ah,
Oh my
excellent.
God. Yeah, now I can take some of that stuff
Oh.
back. Get some of my $135 back. Here, look at the camera so I can take your picture.
Vacuum. This will be on the record.
He loves the vacuum already. Griffin loved the vacuum.
That's so weird.
Hi.
Griffin was this size when? So tell me about this
Oh,
cat,
goodness,
Mom.
you're a little bit. This one?
Yeah. So to the audience.
Okay, so this is unknown name. His name from the shelter was Moose, as in like chocolate mousse. But as you can see, he's not very moussey or chocolatey.
What age?
So we're gonna
Age, size,
I
mass.
told you just a minute. You said to say this, okay? So stop. Now, his age is about 3 months old, and he is a male. He's been neutered, and he has a microchip already.
That's crazy.
And
Which is blank right now, right?
he's got- huh?
Which is blank.
Yeah, I think she said that I have to just change names from.
A company I heard, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, what is this place?
Oh, he's doing a really good exploring job, by the way. Really good.
You probably all remember about Griffin. If you've watched early of my videos, I don't know why YouTube decided to remove oldest to newest. Pisses me off. But whatever. Maybe I can.
What are you talking about?
Oh.
What was that?
I don't. It's okay.
Did he jump?
No, just checking. You like to go under those things. What are you doing? You got like a lot of.
I
Oh,
know, he likes getting in the scary places, but
come here.
I know, I just sat down here, sorry.
So the reason why we got him is because we want to get rid of the mice. And as you know, mice are very annoying.
Mm-hmm.
You want to go under that? Okay, guess you're not going to go under that. Looks like it's almost coming on the other side, Mom. You should be able to see him.
Okay, hold on.
Oh! You see the shadow?
We didn't get any messages, did we?
No, not that I know of.
Okay. I was just trying to get rid of some of these.
You see it?
Oh, I see him now. Are you still videoing?
Yeah. I'm still filming.
Some pretty cool markings.
What has it got?
What did he get? A mouse already? What is that?
I don't know.
He picked something up. It almost looked like it had a tail.
Oh!
What did you see? He's got such a long tail. It's got personality. It curls around at the tip.
It's running. Read my notifications.
One new notification. from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a freeze watch for Philips. It'll be in effect
Philips?
November 13th, 10 p.m. EST until November 14th.
I know. They
9
kept
a.m.
saying weird things on the other one too. I don't know.
We're in Belleville. We're not Phillips.
I know.
Well,
I know it said something Edmund Place or something at the other one.
where'd you go?
I was like,
Uh-oh, we lost it.
oh shit. Oh my god, whose turn was it?
I think
He's
it.
right here. Oh no. Oh, there he is.
Where?
I saw his tail. Thank God he has a tail. Right there.
Where?
Right here. He was behind the recycling.
Oh, there you are.
bin. I was gonna get his toy.
All right, time to play.
I was gonna get his toy. Now watch him for a second. I just
Oh.
again.
You like that place?
Read my note.
Hey, I'll do it. I'll have to
What's going on?
read my notifications.
Blah.
One new notification
Damn it.
from Amazon Shopping.
Stay watching.
3 months ago, you bought Duracell lithium battery on Amazon.
How many stars would you rate it? From 1 to 5.
5. It's battery. Of course it was fine.
Your rating will help other customers make better
Yeah,
choices.
yeah, whatever.
You want to play with everything he sees.
Oof!
He's so cute. He's very curious. I'm so happy he's not afraid. He's not afraid. That's great.
Why do I zoom in and it's so blurry?
Yeah, because you got a shitty camera.
Excuse me.
Sorry. You gotta be smarter than the toy.
Oh, what you got?
Oh, no, what is that? It's like I think there was some leaves or something over there. Yeah, it was a leaf. He was playing like, I can't think of the name of that cat. I'm so angry. Spunky. Spunky? I had a cat named Spunky.
Mm-hmm.
And she liked to put leaves in my tennis shoes.
Okay, looks like over to my
She was the one that was the greatest ball catcher.
over to my computer. It probably is recognizing my smell.
I think
It's recognizing our smell
Yeah.
and
Knows that it's not threatening. He's very smart so far.
all right, Mom, get the toys out.
I am trying to undo it. You will not.
Should I stop recording?
Yeah, probably a good thing.
All right.
Since he's doing so great. Of course, he'll do something cute.
Yeah, that's why I'm. Should I like edit this video out so I can like cut some of the parts that are boring? Oh, oh!
Yeah. Are you good at editing?
I have not edited before. I'm too
I
lazy.
should master that because I'm probably good at it if I knew how to do it. But forget that.
I'm just too freaking lazy.
Oh, is that? I think.
Oh,
Where is he?
he's way down there. Oh, fast.
Okay, hang on. Maybe. Okay, I got it unraveled finally.
Oh, uh-oh. He got the wires.
Okay, where's he at? Oh. Did I? Maybe too much? He's so funny. He's really checking it out. All right. It's colorful. Oh. It's hiding. Now he's. I think I see it somewhere. Hmm? It's flying like a bird now. Woo. This thing's actually pretty cool for being on the clearance rack.
Doesn't like it.
What do you? Oh, I think he's just too busy smelling everything else. I would think. I'm hoping. What happened? Something scary in there?
Whoa.
Did he just run?
Yeah.
I heard him gallop. He likes those leaves. There's one there. That's what he picked up earlier was a leaf. That's good. He's gonna be like
What?
what the hell? What did he jump at? Was he jumping at shadows?
I think so. go.
Are you still recording?
Yep, I am.
Oh my god, thank
He
goodness.
scared the reflection.
Is that what it is? Is it shadow?
Holy
Oh,
Jesus, you're
It's
fast.
a shadow.
Where did you go?
He's
I lost.
stalking you. He's.
Oh, I see you.
In his head.
Oh,
No, no, no. No, 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 no. Oh no. No, no. I forgot about the stairs.
it's all right.
Okay, but don't chase him down there. Oh, good. Oh, man.
Shadows.
Oh, no. He like jumped.
It scared shit out of me. I'm like, is she gonna attack me?
Yeah.
Are you coming at
He
me?
is. He's watching your feet. Oh, no.
Oh,
Oh, good.
it's my paws.
Finally likes you better than me. No.
Oh, over there. Wait, if I go.
He's like, I've been here already. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. You walk over there, I bet he'll come out. He'll see your feet again.
Oh, I see him.
There he goes. Look at his tail is like so, the tip of it is so inquisitive.
Oh my god, you're.
Look at him. He's pouncing on something. And, oh, did you see him go?
Whoa! Whoa! I see you. Oh, pff. Look out, Mom!
His tail's puffed out. You see
Oh my god! The elevator butt. Ella butt. Never been here before.
Can't see where he's at. By the fireplace? Is he by the fireplace?
Yeah, he is. Oh dear, it's where the sweet tea was.
Oh, oh. Okay, yeah, I'm watching.
Don't be licking that.
Yeah, I'm watching him. He's just smelling real, real hard. I guess I'll have to put something down there, like a rug or something.
Wait, is it my shadow?
Got rugs.
Here, let me test. Ooh.
What did I do with that one? What did I do with that red rug?
12 minutes.
Red rug. I just said red rug. I didn't. Oh, there it is.
Aren't you gonna... Hey! No, don't go in those wires. Whoa!
Wow.
You went through me.
I think he's liking his newfound running skills. I mean, think about it.
Exercise.
Yeah.
Whoa, I just... He did the... He was like... Oh my god, I gotta show you this recording. Whoa! Holy shit!
What's he doing?
Darting all over the place. I should call him Dart.
That's a good idea.
Like the... Oh, he gets low, and then he charges in. He gets low. He's like...
Hi, Chart.
Whoa. He gets low and he runs. Like he's pouncing.
I know he was doing that. I know what you mean because he was doing that over there.
If I...
Oh, there you are.
It loves this open space.
His tail was so.
Wow, you're so fast.
He's so happy. His place to run.
I think it would be a great mouse catcher because...
I think he might be. He's not afraid. I really think he is not afraid. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh.
Over here again.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Damn.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh. Nope. Get out of there.
What is it?
No.
Oh, just under.
He's under-
Oh, okay. Well, he'll probably come back out. Oh, he did. Oh, see, I'm so happy. He's so happy to get all this room. He's not gonna hide under the bed. I just have a feeling.
Whoa, be careful. You're going to hurt yourself. That floor is slippery.
Yeah.
Let's go. Boom.
You can go under there as long as you come back out. Mm-mm. Like those are feet.
What? Whoa! I can't track him.
I know, you really can't keep track of him anymore. like all of what, 15 minutes to get.
Yeah, 14 minutes. Precisely. Holy shit. Reminds me of that mouse. A fast mouse, you know. That pallet mice.
Oh yeah, he's gonna. Oh my God, that's right.
Don't get...
Oh yeah, look out, mice, because this cat can run.
I hope it stays where we live.
What?
If we let him out, will he stay?
Oh, let him outside, you mean? Yeah, we're not supposed to. It's said in the contract.
Oh.
You know what? We didn't let Griffin out till he was about a year old. So, yeah, you can't really do that.
Maybe-
They can't find their way back.
Alright. He has to be a little older. I'm going to